The festive season is upon us and it is now time to make crochet candle cozies. I bought these scented candles online. This one is sandalwood and this is rose. This is the name of the brand, so you can check it out. To make the candle cozies, I'll be using anchor cotton threads in 2 different shades and 2 different patterns, along with a 1.75 millimeter crochet hook. So let's get started. So for my first pattern, that is for my sandalwood candle, I am using my pink shade of thread. Start with a magic circle. Chain 2 and make 10 double crochets into the magic circle. Close your magic circle. The chain 2 at the beginning does not count as a stitch, so make a slip stitch into the very first double crochet that we made. Chain 2, into each stitch make 2 double crochets. We have 20 double crochets, slip stitch in the first stitch. Now you'll just want to keep checking against your candle. So this is actually the base that we are making. So depending on how big or small your candle is, the size of your base will vary. I will do one more round for the base. You can do as many rounds as you want, however big your candle is. So for the next round, chain 2, 1 double crochet in the first stitch, and 2 double crochet in the next. One double crochet in the next stitch and 2 double crochet in the next. Repeat that all around. Round 3 is complete. I'm just going to make a slip stitch in my first stitch. And I'm just going to measure this against my candle. So I'm quite happy with this particular size. Whenever you are done with your base, whenever you are done increasing, chain 2 and just make 1 double crochet into each stitch. I have 30 stitches. Just make a slip stitch in the first stitch. Now that we are done with our base, we'll start making the main pattern that will go up this way. So chain 5. This counts as a double crochet in chain 2 and make a double crochet in that same stitch. Now chain 3, skip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the next stitch make a double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, and just repeat this all around. Chain 3, skip 4 stitches, and into the next stitch double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. So just repeat this till the end. When you reach the end of your round, just make a slip stitch in the top of the chain 3 that we had started with. So 1, 2, 3, and just make a slip stitch into that top chain 3. Now for the next round, make a slip stitch into this chain 2 space and make chain 3. This counts as a double crochet, and make 4 more double crochet in that chain 2 space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead on to the next chain 2 space and make 5 double crochet. And just keep repeating this till the end of the round. In every chain 2 space, make 5 double crochet. Once you're done making your 5 double crochet in the chain 2 space, make a slip stitch on the top of the chain 3. Now make a slip stitch in the next double crochet and another slip stitch in the next double crochet. And now we're going to start our next round, which is just like the one we made initially. So chain 5. This counts as a double crochet in chain 2. Make a double crochet in that same stitch, which is basically the middle double crochet of these 5. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Now into the middle double crochet of this next 5 double crochet that you see here, make a double crochet, chain 2, and a double crochet. And just keep repeating this till the end. Chain 3, find your middle stitch, the third one from the beginning, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. Once you're done with your round, make a slip stitch in the third chain. Now you just want to repeat these 2 rows for as ever long your candle is. So let's just check how far we are. Okay, so we just need to do about, I guess, 3-4 more rounds. I'm planning to make it up till here. You can make it full length, it's your choice. I'm planning to make it up to here because I want the yellow of the candle to show. So just repeat these 2 rounds. I'm just going to make a slip stitch in that chain 2 space, chain 3, and 4 more double crochet in the chain 2 space, 5 double crochet into each chain 2 space, and then just repeat again. So guys, this is what my jar is looking like so far, and I think I'll make 2 more rounds and just cover it till the top. let's just check if this is fitting nicely. All right, I am quite happy with the way this is looking, so now we can just fasten this off. So I've already made a slip stitch on my first stitch. I'm just going to cut this off. Now if you want, you can further embellish this with beads, ribbons, glitter, sparkle, whatever you want to add, you can add on to this. We'll be lighting these up in the end, and let's start our second pattern. Now for my rose scented candle, I am using a yellow thread. Start with a magic circle and we'll make the base in exactly the same manner that we made this base. So 10 double crochet, 20, 30, and just 1 double crochet into each stitch. I'll just walk you through it. Chain 2, 10 double crochet in the magic circle, close your magic circle, slip stitch in the first stitch, chain 2, 2 double crochet into each stitch, make a slip stitch in the first stitch, chain 2, 1 double crochet in the first stitch, 2 double crochet in the next stitch, repeat all around, slip stitch in the first stitch, chain 2, make 1 double crochet into each stitch, make a slip stitch in the first stitch. Now we'll start our main pattern. Chain 3, this counts as our double crochet, and make 2 double crochet in that same space. Chain 4, skip 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and in the next stitch make 3 double crochet. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, skip 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in the next stitch make 3 double crochet. Repeat this pattern till the end of the round. Once you reach the end, make a slip stitch in the very top of the chain 3 that we started with. Now make a slip stitch all the way up to this chain 4 space. So make a slip stitch in the next double crochet, a slip stitch in the next double crochet, and a slip stitch in the chain 4 space. Chain 3, this counts as a double crochet, make 2 more double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet. So all of that in just a chain 4 space, 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. We're going to head over to our next chain 4 space and do the exact same thing. Make 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. Repeat this till the end of the round. In each chain 4 space, 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. When you're done with your round, make a slip stitch in the top of the chain 3. Make a slip stitch all the way up to the chain 2 space. Chain 3 counts as a double crochet and make 2 more double crochet in that same chain 2 space. Chain 4, head over to the next chain 2 space and make 3 double crochet. And just repeat this till the end of the round, chain 4 and 3 double crochet in the chain 2 space. When you're done with your round, make a slip stitch in the top of the chain 3. Now you just want to repeat these 2 rounds till your candle cozy is as long as you want it to be. Now let's just try it on before finishing it off. Fits perfectly. This looks so beautiful. I'm just going to finish this off. Our candle cozies in 2 different designs are ready. We can now light them up and see how they look. I won't light them up directly because I will be exhibiting them at my next fair. So I'll just take a tea candle and then light it up.